Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to delete WeChat Moments. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open WeChat on your mobile device. Tap on Discover at the bottom of your screen. Select Moments. Now you can see all the moments that you have posted. To delete your moment, tap on the bin icon right below your post. Tap on Delete. And that's it. This is how you delete WeChat Moments. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.